Hello my dear students, welcome back to online classes. I am fine and I hope that all of you will be fine. In our previous class we discussed about periods. Today we will discuss about ordering of numbers. You have read in your previous classes that ordering of numbers means which number is greater than by which number. If two numbers given to us, then the possibilities are the first number will be greater, the first number will be smaller, or both the numbers are equal. If different numbers given to us and we say that write them in order, that is in ascending or in descending order, you have read how to write. Here I am going to explain the same. To compare two numbers, if we are having both the numbers equal number of digits. For example, if we are having number 3, 2, 8 and another number 4, 5, 6. Which number will come first and which will come later? Means we have to know the order of these two numbers. First of all, we will observe that we will see that both the numbers given have same number of digits or not. If the numbers have same number of digits, then we check the most left digit. As in this case, we are having 3 digits here. 3 digits. In this case also we are having 3 digits. Now, which one is greater and which one is smaller? So, if both the numbers are having the same number of digits, we check the leftmost digit of the numbers. In this case, the leftmost digit is 3, and in this number, the leftmost digit is 4. We know that 4 is greater than 3, so we can easily say 328 is less than 456. Take another example. If we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 4, 5. In these two numbers, we are observed that both the numbers have 4 digits. So when we have to compare them, which one is greater and which one is smaller, we will check the leftmost digits first. In this number, 1 is the leftmost digit and here is also 1. Means by observing the leftmost digit, we are not sure in this case still which one is greater. So we see the next digit. Here is 2, here is again 2. So if we are observing the 2 digits in this number, first left digit in this number equal to in this number. So we compare the third one. Here is 3 and here is 4. Now we know that 4 is greater than 3. So we can easily write 1, 2, 3, 4 is less than 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is a case where we can easily check which number is greater and which number is smaller. Now, if we are having numbers, in one number we are having more number of digits and in another number we are having less number of digits, then it is quite easily say that the number having more number of digits will be greater than the number having less number of digits. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and here is 9, 4, 5. In these two numbers, you are observing that the first number had 4 digits So it is quite easy to say that the first number is greater than the third number, or we can write it 1, 2, 3, 4 is greater than 9, 4, 5. Means 1234 is greater than 945. Means if we have two numbers and the number of digits are different in each number, then the number which have more number of digits, the number which had more number of digits will be greater number. Another example I am taking. If here is 9, 8, 7 and here is 2, 3, 4, 9. Again here we are observing it is a 4-digit number, a 3-digit number, 3-digit number, and it is a 4-digit number. So this number will be greater than this number, means 987 will be less than 2349. In this way you can easily compare the two numbers, or you can write the order of the numbers if more numbers given to you, that you have already read in previous classes how to write ascending order and descending order. We first compare the numbers and then we write the ascending and descending order. Our next topic is the formation of numbers when digits are given. Next topic is formation of numbers when digits are given. You know that we are having 10 digits from 0 to 9. With the help of these digits we form numbers. Here if we have given some numbers, digits, and it said that write the numbers, possible numbers formed with the given digits, means the topic name is formation of numbers formation of numbers when digits are given. When digits are given. Take an example. Form the possible 3 digits number using each digit only once. So I am taking an example to make you understand how to form the numbers from the given digits. Example is form the possible 3-digit number, possible 3 digits number, 3 digits numbers with the digits 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Each digit we use only one time, using each digit only once. Each digit using only once means we will write the number, but we among these 3 digits we take in a particular number, 1 only one time, 2 only one time, like that. So let's see the solution of this question. given digits are one, two, and three. Given digits are 1, 2, and 3. With the help of these digits, we have to form 3-digit numbers. So, as you know, we have in 3-digit numbers 3 places, and these places are ones place, tens place, and hundred place. These are the 3 places we have in 3 digits number. Okay. So when we write the numbers, suppose 1 will be at most place, means 1 will be at 100 place, 2 will be at tens place, and 3 will be at ones place. So the number formed is 1, 2, 3. If 1 will be at 100 place, 3 will be tens place, and 2 will be at ones place, the number formed is 1, 3, 2. If 2 will be at ones place, 1 will be at 2 will be at 100 place, 1 will be at tens place, and 3 will be at ones place. The number formed will be 230. If 2 will be at 100 place, 3 will be at ones place, tens place, and 1 will be at ones place, then number formed is 231. If 3 will be at 100 place, 1 will be at tens place, and 2 will be at ones place, then we will have number 312. And if 3 will be at 100 place, 2 will be tens place, and 1 will be at ones place, then number formed is 321. So these are the numbers which will form when we have 3 digits 1, 2, 3. These numbers will form when we have 3 digits 1, 2, 3, using each digit only once. So like this you can form the numbers when digits are given to you. You have exercise 1.4. In that it is question given, the first question, which one is greater, which one is smaller, using the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to, you can do. Then it is given, find the smallest and greatest number in each of the following. You can easily check. Write the 3 digits number using each digit only once. Write the number which is 1 less than 1 lakh, quite easily you write. And write the 3 digit numbers using each digits this only once, and arrange them in ascending order. So these are the questions which are based on this explanation, and I hope you can do easily. So you have your homework exercise 1.4. You will do this exercise. You will watch video carefully. Thank you.